How to limit who can post on your profile on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can post on your profile on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down and click on profile and tagging, and here you're gonna find who can post on your profile and first option. And now choose who can post on your profile. Friends, that's mean your friends on Facebook or only me to be the only one who posts on your profile. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.